What up, YouTube? It's your boy Relentless Mars back at y'all with another video. It's my second video. We got the house tour, man. 22 years old. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Relentless Mari coming at y'all with my second YouTube video. We got the house tour, man. Back it up. Congratulations. Finally bought my first house, 22 years old. It's a nice accomplishment. Pretty proud of myself. Coming from where I come from, things like this typically don't happen. But we still got some stuff we gotta do. We've been here for about 2-3 weeks. Still getting settled in. We still got some stuff we gotta get. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with now. For instance, right here, I'm gonna get a basketball goal, like how my neighbor had. Get a basketball goal, but you know, still gotta get it. That being said, let's go ahead and come in. Welcome to the crib, Mi Casa, Su Casa. You know what I'm saying? Right here, like I was talking about earlier, this is gonna be the dining room. I don't have a dining table yet. I need to get dining table, dining chairs, the whole set. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna make it happen. I like these lights right here. I'm not necessarily like a realtor or somebody who just know a bunch about housing. I don't necessarily know the terminology for these kind of lights, but I know that I like these lights. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and go this way. Over here we got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. The entire house, probably about 2,000 square feet. Well, I know what it is, about 2,000 square feet and 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. All right, come on. Bedroom number 1. We got the pink room. This the pink room because it got pink walls. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. When I came in this house and I did the tour in my first ever view of this home, I ain't even noticed this room was pink, but it's cool, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to repaint the walls. I don't necessarily know what I'm gonna designate this room for, so until further notice, this will just be a storage room, man. But let's go ahead and make our way over here. My fault. We got the bathroom. Y'all can go ahead and step in there. I don't usually use this bathroom. Typically my girl uses this bathroom. I say this her bathroom, you know what I'm saying? But we come over this way, we got the computer room. I like this room. This is, I say, possibly my favorite room. Now I'm gonna say my second favorite room in this house, you know what I'm saying? But I got my whole little setup, got my 2 monitors, my TV, we got the PC right here, ring light, you know what I'm saying? I do got more equipment such as this green screen that I still got to set up, that I have set up in my apartment. But we still got work to do. Like I said, we're gonna get it all together. All right, let's go ahead and go this direction. Over here, we got the living room, man. With the vaulted ceilings. I like this ceiling fan, I appreciate this ceiling fan. We got these Italian leather couches. Italian leather love seat. We got these 2 end tables. We got these lamps. I ain't gonna lie, I had some different lamps that was glass. One of them fell and they broke. I had to get new ones. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. We got this coffee table right here. Television, 75-inch television. I like this television. I like the way it sits mounted up here. You get what I'm saying? Because I feel like it gets the perfect size. You know what I'm saying? Right here we got the fireplace. I'm gonna keep it real. Probably never gonna use this fireplace, but it's a nice decoration. You know what I'm saying? Over here we got our Wi-Fi box. Now I still got to call AT&T because I really want this box in my computer room. You know what I'm saying? But let's go this way. I'm gonna show y'all the garage. That's what we got next. I ain't saying nothing about these lights. I like these lights too. You know what I'm saying? Over here we got now we're gonna go to the laundry room first. This is the laundry room, wash and dryer. You know what I'm saying? Nice little duo. HG. And here we got the garage. This is a 2-car garage. Possibly fit about 3 cars in here, depending on the size of the car. You know what I'm saying? But I like this garage. Nice and spacious. You know what I'm saying? But it's cool. Let's go ahead and come back in this direction. Next room I'm gonna show y'all is the kitchen, man. Alright, look, over here we got the kitchen. I like this kitchen, the countertops, you get what I'm saying? I also love the equipment such as the appliances, such as the refrigerator, stove, microwave. The microwave do this little thing right here. I don't know what that do, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Over here we got the pantry. I got a bunch of little kid snacks. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how to shop. grocery shop as an adult, man. I ain't gonna lie, but it is what it is. We got the sink right here, the two little, what's the names over here. These bar stools, I dislike these bar stools. I had these in my apartment. I gotta get new ones. But like screws coming out and stuff, I'm gonna have to get new ones. But it's cool. I'm gonna probably get some brown bar stools. I want them to match, you know, like the bar area. This don't necessarily match. It did match when I was in my apartment, but we're no longer there. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go to the backyard. I'm gonna go ahead and step out there before me, man. Nice backyard. You know what I'm saying? I like this backyard, nice and spacious. You know what I'm saying? I was talking to one of my friends. I like you low-key play some football back here. You know what I'm saying? A little backyard football. Backyard ain't super big, but it is nice. You know what I'm saying? We got the roof up here, a newer roof. I ain't gonna tell y'all when the roof was did, but you know, it's a newer roof. It's not the roof that was initially on the house. You know what I'm saying? But it's a nice backyard. I appreciate the backyard. You know what I'm saying? How many minutes we at?
6.
Yeah, that's good. I bet. What I'm gonna show y'all next is my this is my favorite room in the house. This next room that I'm gonna show y'all is what sold me on the house, man. When I walked, I ain't gonna lie. When I walked in this room right here, I was like, damn. You know what I'm saying? I said, damn. This is a big room, man. Very big room. This is the master bedroom. You know what I'm saying? Very spacious room. 55-inch TV. We got the king size bed right here. This room so big it make this king size bed look small. You know what I'm saying? But you know, the stand back just get the whole room. Stand back get the whole room. Like I'm saying, very big room. Very, very big room. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate this room. Also, what sold me on this house is this bathroom. I love this bathroom, man. Go ahead and check it out. We got the mirrors. I appreciate these mirrors. These 3 mirrors. This is what sold me on the house as well, man. I appreciate everything here. We got the jacuzzi. We got the glass showers. You know what I'm saying? We got the walk-in closet over here. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it though, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't got the YouTube money yet, so you know, I don't got the YouTube type house, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna get it, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all tuning in once again. I'm gonna post more frequently. Look forward to the next video. But until then, man, y'all be safe, and I appreciate y'all.